Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Guys, today I am coming to you from New York City. Here we're having a group of Jamaicans in the diaspora demonstrating against the current government of the country. Guys, in this video there will not be a commentary. I am just showcasing the demonstration so you can see what's going on.
Where the money there? Where the 1.7 trillion there? Nigel Clark, where the money there? Nigel, stop cooking the book.
This is wrong way. You have it wrong way. This is live? Where? No, this is wrong. You have it the wrong way. That's a picture. That's a picture. There it is. You get it, right?
Okay, you saw me on the Zoom chatting all the time. I'm posting about that. Sell t-shirts or a picture freedom. Freedom. School in the house. That's right. Chicago, you know, all the way from Chicago. Yes. I'm missing one more Chicago person. This guy's Sutherland. Yeah, he's from Chicago too. So I'm gonna feel too lonely. Yes. Yeah. Oh man, we have to make the effort. Nobody's not gonna do it for us. Yeah, them can't shut both of them. We here in the diaspora is holding on to owners and them 60 thieves accountable for all the destruction that is going on in Jamaica.
Stop giving them people attention, man. I know them will come about, man.
You don't have anything to say. Are you hearing me, Wayne?
Them no significant. Me never know.
Okay. Do you have anything to say?
What's going on? Look, they are the opposite to us. Oh, really? Listen. Don't let me tell them again.
No, we just show them. No. Just show them the car.
You know what that tells us? That you're on. I'm doing something good. Yeah. Hard pressure.
No, hold on, no. This is the court, hold up your flag.
Thank you.
Yeah, hold on. Of course.
I made a proposal. As I give every police a portable fingerprint scanner.
You cannot register to have government officials sit down on the board and raise money and do things. But people are wanting to know this. All our writers can read, but all our writers don't have the time for read. Me have the time for read. And so I am going to continue reading and giving you the benefit of my knowledge when we regarding all the documents affecting the diaspora. Because there's a document called Terms of Reference for the Diaspora. And if you read that document, believe me, if you read that document, you come out and lead your own protest. Because the Global Jamaica Diaspora Council that is supposed to represent all of us, represents them people up here. So they run the election of it. They can fire people. They appoint people to it. They appoint people to it, and yet they say that it is our organization. We are nothing more than subordinate. And so what we've done is we registered the organization. So pretty soon we are going to start doing a whole bunch of things with it, because we believe a diaspora organization should be autonomous, to be separate, to be independent from the government. In fact, this Global Diaspora Council is illegal organization that they, oh, by the way, they call it a movement, not an organization, right? Exactly. Move out our way. But again, thankful for the support, and believe me, we need all of you. Whenever you see something wrong, you need to let us know, because we can't see everything. And your information will be protected. You will be protected. If there's one thing I know how to do as an FBI agent, a retired FBI agent for 30 years, I know how to protect people, and I know how to protect information. And we have Herb Nelson right us at all. See, give a bird. So, again, and donate to the One Jamaica Legal Defense Foundation. And And I tell you, I am very pleased, very happy with all the beautiful smiling faces right here because it has sent a tremor upstairs and back to Jamaica. They don't like what them say. They don't like what them say. Them call me dirty 30. And you know what them say? You know them say? The other day them say only 3 to 5 people in the diaspora cause problem. But we know them can't count. We know them can't. We know them can't do mathematics. We know all of that. Don't forget, this is the Prime Minister who said that what? He said he increased the minimum wage 100% from 8,000 to 13,000. So 2 years to 13. They call us dogs.
Our people from Jamaica who don't have the voice to speak.
See your medicine.
So we have to do it for them.
No. See your medicine because we don't care who's running the government. We are going to hold accountable. Let me say, we are going to hold them accountable. Big up yourself, big up yourself, my brother. Yeah. So, thing. And where's the content to support? You must watch the program there. Like the shield and all of that. And also we're calling on all of you that if you see something that you think should be investigated, just send it to us and we will look into it. And I must apologize to all of you who call the phone. Yeah. It's basically a one-man show and after the research. But big up Kevin, by the way. Big up Kevin. Big up Kevin. Kevin, where you there? Big up Kevin. But I promise you, we're getting some help. Some ladies step forward and say they're going volunteer. And them going, big up Joan, where Joan there? Joan, where you there? Alright, Joan there's something in the crowd. But we have some people who decide that they're going to help us. So all of you calling and all of you texting and all of that, we will get back to you, but please bear with me. And until we meet tomorrow, I'm going to take care of myself. Be well. Alright? One love, one heart, one destiny.
Yes,
one people.
One Jamaica! One Jamaica!
Who's Jamaica? Who's Jamaica? Who's Jamaica? What you need?
Justice!
What we need?
Justice!
What we need?
No!
No! Our conference, a business conference, June 16 through 19, the government. We have one that will be called the People's Conference. They will be discussing the sale of services, products, and investment. They not care about Uno and the generation with water and all them stuff. We will be discussing those issues the same day, but at a different time. They're coming in the morning. We're coming from 7 to 10. And by the way, if you notice, them change the name of the conference, but it's no longer Global Jamaica Diaspora. Them change it because we own the name. Big up on yourself! You want me to talk about the Magnitsky Act? No, you want me the Magnitsky Act? This is the act that next month we're going to meet with some US lawmakers. Because this act, it says that if you've been involved in kleptocracy, meaning you thief the taxpayers' money, or corruption, where you use your public position to enrich yourself, or you commit human rights violation like what them do with the state of emergency, your visa is subject to revocation. And all of the money where you thief, subject to seizure, and we're going to return it to the people. So this, we're going to talk about this next month, so we'll keep you posted. So continue to support. Big up yourself, brother. You have a question? Any question for me? Any question before we go? A few more minutes. Any question? Anywhere you wish. Which one is the commission? Tax commissioner? Integrity, yeah. We'll take that job then. I hope people have our prison now. Before we 1 week in there, I hope people have our prison. Rural Creed, Cruel Reed, yeah. All of them things on the realize what go on, that all of the criminals then are the alleged criminals. Alright, before we go to tell you something. You see the murder rate. The murder rate. The numbers are not accurate. Take it from me. The numbers are not accurate. Because they have a category what they call death investigation. One other category for suicide. They have another category for self-defense. And they have a couple more categories. And what them do, them shovel some of the numbers them inside. And if you go back on sometimes the numbers with them give this year, if you go 2 years from now, you see them change it. But most people now pay attention to it. And I ask for the numbers them. And this same man, when name the brother in charge, Fitz Bailey. Up to now, I can't get the doctor. All my pure promises. Next week, next month, next week, next month. But we are going to get them. We are going to get them. Because I tell you what, with your support, I'm up. People, trust me, they sleep maybe about 2 hours a night. Because me get up sometimes and me just go up on the computer and start and have access to information. When you watch a program, we're going to teach you how to find access to information. Don't be afraid. They can't do nothing. And that's how I get a lot of information. Grudgingly, them don't want to give to me, but me keep fighting. I'm even going to the tribunal. I'll file 3 appeals with the tribunal. And before the tribunal can decide, them start giving the information.
There you
And
go.
them give me. So I'm like appealing for them right now. And I'm sure when them see my name, them just say, oh God, him again. But you know what? This is, them are go tired to see your face. Can't get me out of the race. Oh Lord, God in this race. But God. Take care. See you tomorrow.